Oh, let's fix my hair. All right. Hi, YouTube. How are you guys? Okay, this is kind of weird. So this is gonna be my official first vlog on my YouTube channel, and I just thought, why not just kind of start capturing like my day to day. And today I find myself alone, no kids, and I needed to run some errands, so I thought to just experiment and see how this goes. So I was recently on a trip to in Europe, to the south of France, and I purchased some Hermes sandals, but on getting home I realized they were too big on my feet, so I needed to exchange it, right? And kind of what I suspected, but I just wanted to confirm. So I called the store and they said, yeah, I can exchange it. I just need to have my original receipt, which I do. So let me show you guys what I got. I got the classic Oran sandals that all the girls are wearing. I've always seen them around, thought they were cute, but I didn't think it was anything that I needed to have. But again, just being on the trip, you're splurging, you just think, why not? Let me just buy one. So this is the one I bought in this color. I don't even know what the color is, but yeah. And I realized they're way too big on my feet. This is a size 40 and a half, so I'm gonna want to exchange this for a smaller size. I do like this color, I like it a lot, but again, it's way too big. There's a little bit of spacing at the back behind my feet, and then this part of the shoe just seemed kind of big, so definitely need to exchange it. So wanted to bring you on my errand and kind of tell you how my experience goes with Hermes. So yeah, interestingly enough, when I was on my trip, we went to Monaco. The Hermes essays in that store were not very nice. They seemed very standoffish, and I was like, on top of my money I'm gonna spend. They just weren't very friendly, or seemed like they cared to even help you. And then we went to Cannes, and the staff, the essays in that store were quite helpful, but it was a very busy store. I mean, it was so busy. I feel like even like, so basically you walked in the store and I told her what I was looking for, and she's like, okay, I'll go see what I have. Then she made a trip back to the back room or whatever, came back out with a bunch of boxes, and none of those colors worked for me. I didn't like them. And then she had to go back again the second time, and then by the second time I still wasn't crazy about it, but then I felt bad because I'm like, I'm not about to keep running her back and forth when there's like a long queue of people waiting for an essay to be assigned to help them. So it was kind of interesting. They were nicer, but the store was extremely busy that I feel like you didn't really get that time or the experience of actually exploring and really taking your time. So anyway, we're here now. Thank God, at least we can exchange it. So I got the slipper, and as well I picked up a scarf because I'm loving the idea of like scarves now. Like I feel like if I wear an outfit, I can just throw a scarf over it and it'll look kind of nice. So I got a scarf as well, and again, just kind of out of rush I picked it up, but I'm just gonna see if they have a different print in the store that I might like or that speaks to me better, and then I'll exchange that as well. So let's go. Yeah, I'll let you guys know how my experience is. It is a nice, gorgeous, sunny day, so I pulled out the sunglasses. So yeah, so let's go. Let's see how this goes. I'll show you guys what I end up settling for. Okay, so I need to pay for parking, so I'm gonna do that and then make my way into the store. So let's take care of the parking situation first. Today I think it's even like 9. Okay, so we are in Bucket Village. There's a couple of stores around, but like I said, we're going to Hermes and I don't anticipate stopping anywhere else. So I'll show you guys what Bucket Village looks like in Atlanta. So for our outfit today, I'm wearing this I feel like there's a name they call this dresses. It's like a $10 dress I got, well maybe like $15, something like that, from Zara during the last winter sale. And my everyday Isola flats, it's my Louis Vuitton Isola flats. Just something simple, cute, chic. Yeah, so that's what we got going on today. So this here is the Buckhead Village. It's got some fancy restaurants, some high-end designer stores, and of course we are going to the Hermes store. So, all right, let's go handle business. And yeah, can't wait to see what I end up getting. Because I feel like sometimes Hermes will tell you what you're gonna get. So our business in Hermes is done. It was actually such a pleasure. The guy who helped me, very nice, in the Atlanta store, his name's Caesar. Shout out to Caesar. Very nice. And I ended up settling for, oh, my hair's all in my face. I did settle for a different color in the Oran, as well got a different scarf, which this looks 10 times better than the one I had before. And this one actually also complements the color sandal, which I will show you guys. So this is kind of how it worked. So I got there, and funny enough, it wasn't even exchange. I didn't even have to pay anything in terms of like taxes, right? Because you know, when you buy these things abroad, you actually claim your tax back. But then here, they didn't make me pay the local tax. Oh, I'm so happy. So anyway, got in. He asked if I needed to be helped. I said yes. And he showed me all the color selections they had. So the color I wanted, actually all the colors they had, they didn't have the size that I needed, which was like a size 10. So he, just to be sure, brought out a different color just for reference and made me try on like a 9.5 and a 10, which regularly I'm a size 9, but for like designer shoes, since they are usually like more narrow, I usually have to size up. So he made me try on a 9.5, and my foot was sticking out in the back, but then the 10 was perfect because the 10.5 is what I returned. So I think that was a good thing that he made me just double check, because I went in thinking I was going to order a 9.5. Like I probably would have, if I ordered online, I would have done a 9.5. So this actually made perfect sense, so I wouldn't find myself having to return again. So anyway, once we confirmed that I'm indeed a size 10, and then the color I wanted, of course, they didn't have in store. So he said he would have it transferred from a store in Florida that actually had the size. So, and then with the scarf, he helped me even pick out a nice scarf, gave me some detail on like the design, and you know, just kind of like some meaning to the print on the scarf, which I thought was really, really nice of him. He was very patient and walked me through it, which was amazing. So then once we confirmed the size of the slipper, went to the counter, showed them my receipt, and they did the transaction. So let's prop the camera here and hope that I don't tilt it over. You can tell this is my first time doing this because I don't even have a good placement for my camera. So let's see if that works. Anyway, so we went to the cash register. They did the exchange on the scarf, because the scarf that I ended up picking, they actually had that right there. So did an even exchange. And then for the slipper, since they had to transfer that from a different store, he took on I created a new profile with them. And when the slipper gets in, he'll call me and I'll come pick it up. So one more visit to the store on maybe in a couple of days, he said. But all in all, great experience. I haven't really been like into like Hermes as a designer house, but this was a good experience for a first time transaction. So now we're off to the next errand, which I'm going to Trader Joe's to get some groceries for the house. And yeah, that's it. Happy Monday. So you guys, the slippers are here, and the slippers came, and I went to go pick it up, and I'm so excited. The slippers finally showed up after like 6 days, I think, because there was a holiday on Thursday, so it was a little bit delayed, but we're here. I'm excited. I wanted to wait to unbox it on camera. So like I said, I did get the scarf and the slipper. So the scarf's this tiny box, and then the slipper is here. So which one should we open first? Let's do the slippers first. Okay. So again, I don't know, did I show that? I think I showed it in the clip. The color that I had was more like a kind of like a taupey brown. Well, maybe not taupey brown, but like a deep brown, which was cool, but I just was not feeling it. But before we even get into it, I wanted to show you guys my outfit. My new favorite store right now is Abercrombie and Fitch. Abercrombie and Fitch. Yeah. Check out this really cute top. I think it's so flattering. I'm wearing it with a pair of jeans. I just did this big hair today, so I'm feeling a little extra. I kind of like it. I think it's a cute look. But anyway, let's get into why we're here. So this is the box. All right, so let's unbox and show what we got. Dun, 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 dun. All right, so it comes in your classic Hermes orange box. How cute that is! I'm obsessed. I am obsessed. Look at this. Wait, let's see. So this is the textured leather, and of course it's got the classic H, I don't know what to call it, the classic H logo for Hermes, and I did end up getting them in a size 40. Like I said, I went into the store, he made me try on like a 40 and a 40 and a 9.5, and the 9.5 was a tad too small. So, but this color, I am obsessed. I'm so happy. Thank you so much, Caesar. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This was really nice. I'm obsessed. Like, I feel like this is money well spent. Like, every time I pick up these to wear them, I'm gonna be happy I actually paid what I paid for them. But I'm gonna try it on in a minute here. But what color is this? I don't even know off the top of my head what color this is. I will put it in the description in the video. But yes, good luck getting your hands on these. I think I was just lucky to have actually been able to get it, because the issue when I mentioned that Hermes will tell you what color and what color to get, it's only because they never have a lot of those colors in, especially in the bigger sizes. Like if you go on their website, you can find like maybe up to like 28 colors in these Oran sandals, but the issue is always the sizes. Like a lot of those sizes from like 38, which is like a US 8 up, sold out. But if you have small feet, then you probably have better luck getting these online. And then of course in the stores, again, you can't really get these, especially in the larger sizes. I was lucky enough that when he looked in the system, it showed that this one was available in a store in Florida, and so he put in the transfer request and had them sent to the Atlanta location. So again, thank you, Caesar. I am obsessed. I'm obsessed. I can't wait to wear these. So that was what I got in the sandals. And so in the scarf, I ended up getting a much nicer print. These ones are so cute. Look at these. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this gorgeous scarf. You know what I especially like about this scarf is because somewhere on here, right in the detail, you can see their classic Birkin bags. Whereas on the first one I got, I mean, it was just black. Like, I feel like if I had this on, if you pay attention to the detail, you can tell this is definitely like a designer scarf. And like I said, for me these days, I love when I dress up and throw like a nice scarf. Even if my hair's done, I just feel like it just adds like this, especially when you're on vacation. I feel like if you take a trip where you're taking a cruise or whatever, just having this on makes your outfit look even more like chic, especially like your beach look. So just for visual, I will tie this on so you guys kind of see what I'm talking about. I feel like putting this over my head, oh, like if this was tied on my head, look, you can't tell me nothing. I feel like this, I don't want to, because I've got makeup on, and I think I set my makeup. I can't remember if I used my one size. Let's see. Oh, look at that. No makeup stain. So I guess I can really go in so you guys can get the full look. So I like to tie a little scarf. And in a minute here, I will try on the slipper. So yeah, look at that. I feel like it's definitely giving me like a vacation baddie look. Okay, so there we go. So this is what we got going with the scarf look. And the hair definitely even gives it a nice touch of, I'm obsessed. I am obsessed. I'm happy. I'm happy. Try on the slippers and see what we got. guys, thank you so much for watching my vlog. And again, 10 out of 10. I am obsessed with this color. If I didn't already say that like a million times already, but thank you so much for watching my vlog. This was my first vlog on my channel, and I actually enjoy doing this. I might do more of these on my channel, so stay tuned. And yeah, no regrets. I really do like the scarf, and I think the sandals are a 10 out of 10. So bye.